Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something so interesting, guys. I'm going to play a waist makeup artist. Make sure you watch the full video, like it, and also subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments whether I should do this kind of video. This is the first video I'm doing, guys. I just thought of trying out. So that's the makeup I'm going to create. I'm going to create that in a waist way ever. So guys, just continue watching. So I use gel eyebrow pencil to draw my eyebrows, and then just using the concealer without any brush to clean my eyebrows, guys. Seriously? Who does that? Look at the eyebrows. Oh my god. Please let me know what you think, guys. This is the very first video I'm trying, because I've been watching about I went to the waist makeup artist, and I've been thinking, those waist makeup artists, how do they do their own makeup? So I tried to do that. Is it this way that they do their makeup? Is it how their makeup come out when they do it on their faces? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Then if I have to make another one, I'll make another one again for you guys. Section, just continue watching. Time for foundation now. Let's do our foundation. This is so funny, guys, so funny. Oh my god, dragging. Yes, this is what I saw in one of the waist makeup artists. She was dragging the foundation. Instead of tapping and tapping, she was dragging the foundation. I was like, what? Oh my god, that's a lot. What? Did you see that? That's too much foundation. You know, these waist makeup artists, they have something in common that I noticed. Sometimes they are so rude, they don't mind how their brushes sit on their client's skin, whether it's harsh. So I try to imitate that as well. As you can see here, the way I'm holding the brush, because it's been hurting my eyes. Sometimes when I watch those videos, I go like, oh my god, these people are so strong, because I can't. So I tried that on myself to see how it's going to come out. And I was doing this as I don't care, like I'm not even seeing what I'm doing. I was just doing it. So that's the makeup there. That's the eyeshadow that I'm trying to achieve in a waist way ever as a waist makeup artist. So let's see how it's going to come out. Let's see. This is so interesting, guys. Being your own waist makeup artist. I had to try this. I had to. Oh my god. I think this is exactly how they do it. They just apply eyeshadow like they don't care. Cutting the crease after the eyeshadow that is supposed to come after cutting the crease. Oh my god. This is so funny, guys. This is so funny. Just look at those eyebrows. They're not neat. As long as they've drawn them just like that. Okay. How is it going? Is it going to be okay? Is it going to be nice? How is it going to come out? Let's keep watching. Right now it looks so interesting. Oh my god, this is nice. Better than I thought. Is it going to turn out to be a nice makeup artist? I'm just watching. Are you watching? Let's watch, guys. Time to do the eyeliner. Though I thought I did it a little bit messy, but I think here it looks like I'd put more effort to it. But I really want it to be messy because as a waist makeup, I don't think this eyeliner is just so perfect, guys. So next time if I'll make another video, I'll make sure I make it a little bit messy. I don't know. Tell me what you think about it. But this other one looks a little bit different, which is matching the waist makeup because eyeliners are supposed to look the same. Just apply the second layer of foundation, guys. Who does that? Really? Who does that? So now it's time to apply the powder without contouring the face. Remember, you're supposed to contour the face, but as a waist makeup artist, just like that. No contouring the face, no contouring the nose. We're just going to go into direct and wearing the finished powder. And then lips, we move on to lips. I tried to imitate the one we have on the pic there, the nude lips, but this is worse. Just compare the two. No lip liner, and then you just go like that. We move on to the highlighting. Oh, this one you don't even talk. Just close your mouth. Close your mouth, baby. Oh, please don't try this at home. This is so funny. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think of this. How would you rate it? Is it 1 out of 5, 2 out of 5, 3 out of 5, 4 out of 5? Tell me what you think. I want to know, please. I want to know what you think about this waist makeup artist look on my face. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. We have the final look. So this is the final look, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye bye. See you in the next video.